Okay, so quick and simple way to do this. So over here I just have like flashcards saved. So these ones are all for anatomy. So kind of how I set this Excel up. Actually, let me do the embryo one. I think might be better. Never mind. I haven't put tags on either of these yet. So first column is just all the questions. Second column's here, and then like over here I would do a third column that just said like embryo. And then I would copy that all the way down. So what I'm going to go in here, I'm going to do File, Save As, and then I'm going to save it to my desktop just so it's easy to find for when we do it, put it in Anki, and I'm going to rename it. If you don't rename it, it's only going to save your file as text, and it's really hard to convert it back to Excel if you want to make changes, so I'm just going to rename it Demo1. For your Save As type, you're going to click the drop-down list and you're going to go to Unicode text and click Save. It's going to pop up with this dialog box. You're going to say yes. All right, so then you're going to close out of this. You don't have to save it again. It's already saved once. So here's that file. So now I'm going to right-click, Open With, and then go to Notepad. So in here, don't type anything or change anything. The only thing you're going to do is just File, Save As, and then you can keep all this the same, but you're going to change the encoding type from Unicode to UTF-8. And just click yes, it's fine. All right, so then go into Anki, and then I'm just going to minimize this so it's not in the way. So I'm going to click, oops. I'm going to click Import File. And then I'm just going to click Demo1 text, open. I'm going to create a new deck. So I'm going to go up here to where it says decks. I'm going to change, I'm going to do add, and then Demo1. All right. And then make sure that all your fields are filled out right. So field 1 should be the front of the card, which is going to be your question. 2 is going to be the answer. And 3, which is just where I wrote embryo in the column, is just going to be the tags. That way, if I combine all the lectures into one deck, I can search through tags if there's something specific I know I'm struggling with and need to study. All right, so then I'm just going to click import. So it says importing complete, close. I should just be able to go up to this deck. I can use study now, and then that's the front of the card. Here's the back. Yay, okay. And then, so that's how you import cards. I'm going to do another video to show you how to do image occlusion, which is really nice for when you have diagram. Okay, so for image occlusion, I'm actually just going to create a new deck. It will be easier. Just so that you can see the card right away. All right, so all I'm going to do is you use like your snipping tool that you have on computer. So I already sort of snipped something out. This is from anatomy. So I'm just going to copy it to the clipboard. That's all you have to do. And then for this, I'm going to switch my type to, it's not going to let me do it. Let me make sure. I don't have image occlusion installed on this profile. Okay, redo. I'm going to do another.